Okay, we are live. Hello, everyone, and if you still watch, Mr. Triangle Testem live stream on YouTube. I'm just testing my live stream if it works on YouTube. Normally, you can't go live on YouTube if you don't have 1,000 followers. But I'm streaming Mr. Live through Streamyard, and I can see that it's going on live fine on YouTube. So that's a good thing. Wow. All right. So if you are gonna watch this later, or if you're watching now, I'm not sure if anybody's watching now, but if you're gonna watch this later, you may cut one prize winning contest where you Mr. Megamlo YouTube, and that's why I'm trying to test out this live stream on YouTube if it works. So the prize winning contest is just like 2 days away. Yumitale by Yumi, excuse me. Yumitale by Yumi, make him draw law number 31. Did we say 31 or number 30? Can't remember. If it's 30, then it's going to be 2 days away. But if it's 31, it's going to be 3 days away. Yeah. So, yes, that's what we're going to do. I hope this feed is clear and the audio is clear. I'm still trying to figure out how by you make him draw with everybody watching, and we do the draw together. Together we make him draw blow live feed, yeah. But I guess that's something else to research on. But at least the live feed is clear. Thank you, Josiah. Okay, great, good. So the live is live Blumilo YouTube and Mistret. Thanks. All right, I'll just try and check my me try and carry on with my live feed. Me check my connection blue me if it's gonna go until the end, because I've tried a live stream on Facebook the other day and then it didn't, cut half. So I'll just try and go through with this one and see if it's gonna work right through. If it's not gonna through, then there's definitely a problem with my connection that needs to be have a looked at again. You want to go through one. I want to go through inflation again. You must one crisis where by me look plante lo prices blow something by the up by some plante something by come very hard by me afford them. Something we missed up you missed easily afford them before by me no more have sometimes by me find them say you may need to borrow him some money blow you may afford them something where you may been stop them um maybe some will follow them TikTok page blow me TikTok channel, not channel, my TikTok. Some will follow them TikTok, but you look one small video where me try and explain them what is inflation. So inflation and you'll see now time where prices blow something will go very high, and you mean almost have a you mean not you mean almost have it goes very high that sometimes by me hardly me afford them. And I talked about something on living within our means, live beyond the means, me. That you Mr. Luke says something Mr. Go high to mass between one where you may start purchasing before, you mean cut them down something. Something you got all alternatives plehem. you got all alternatives plehembe you may use blokarem you may use pem one way stuff in Ispenaya time where inflation is to come after uh, inflation is to happen after price will start on top. You may need to downsize him something. You may need to alter use some alternate plo one way you stuck cut before finish, but use some alternative plan, make him semi cost less little better. So that's how we can manage ourselves. So I'd like to touch on small more inflation. Inflation by full up time, but you mean full up them complain blow island kakai me stop long time finis people only complain about island food that me expensive more between all imported food we must go from lo store so most people only go you know a choice but they have to go for cheap price they have to go for cheap tin tuna or something else I'm say only complain blow price I mean stop long time is not just happen na yan mo it was there all along a long time you may friend me sabi say that you go for something lo store you more cheap it in the you garab something lo market um so that I mean inflation finish now so where does this inflation come in it comes in law by mitalam say hemi one demand pull inflation I want demand pull inflation from time where you make out full up people only demand them island kakai but you know got enough island kakai around like I probably people only know plant them own island kakai bulgata or olgata only plant them island kakai only plant them one mass one big full up one like they don't come in big quantity so only no come no big full quantity or no come no full up only plan them straight no more only sometimes only plan them straight no more house but they end up selling it only come selling blow make them say by people only pema man only pembe time where you miss them kind of smell when we don't really really focus blow increasing mass production blow island ka me by ni end up also now by demand blame big one be supply blame is small apologies if you're hearing sound in the background I have my neighbors yeah talking in the background but I'm trying to Mr. Tramble explain them inflation is suppose you me no increasing mass production blow or local kakai blue you me by demand blame is still high after you make him say price blame stand up so you me look very long time finish we Mr. Look say local kakai blue me always very expensive blue me pem pitim kakai we me karam losto so uh obviously me want something where you me need blow invest lehem plante blow all excuse me blow all local produce blue me only mascat mass production blehem blow make them say price blem emi comes threat if we don't have mass production so one way where blue you me save avoid them blue you me no spend too much local kakai we already price play me high and me plan them own local kakai blue me we plant our own local food so uh me blue me encourage him you me low crisis here is just for us to um for it's just for us to plant our own local food. You mean no me plant our own local kaili for it depends by one mass production blem by come some from somewhere. We're gonna wait for another how many months blow one you plan them on something after you must wait blow by any ready harvest after you make a pem so it's best that you me make them own backyard gardening blue me where you make them own local you plan them on local kakai blue me Maurice Lampy is post-production by Pikwan by for sure by only make them challenge with them prices. Yes, exactly. So it got more production blow island kakai by make them say one arvula full up growers only grow them one same type of crop or different type of crop likat at least only save compete with them all prices plugata after only town all price some of the town price plus sell more also no? So it's all to do with the demand pull inflation full up a list up tell them say where is price control, where from them price control me stuck white pay from all activity blue you me but you me look save say there's money na yaw say by stimulus package ya by you me look say by government put 1.2 billion back and so obviously there is money, there's already money flowing around but activity blue me now where blue me manage him blue me make him say inflation, you mean management, you mean control them inflation premium, you mean need blow. You mean need blow make them some activity where me smart blow make them say people only uh, we reduce the risk of too much inflation in the country. Yes, so that's basically what I want to talk about, and it seems like I've been talking for almost 11 minutes now, and my connection is not breaking up. So that's what I came here to test. Thank you, you've allowed us to watch Josiah Matariki with them. Morris Lumpy. Obviously, YouTube, I mean, no one platform full of man only, full of man Vanuatu only use lehem blue use, but thank you for watching. And I just came to announce too that law when was this number 30 or number 31 by me make him Troy. I'll have to check again when, but by make him Troy, and it's going to be live on YouTube. And I will be sharing this video on my Facebook page for those who will been come in the comment law some law or I mean a come comment law competition through law Facebook page. They came here through the Facebook page. Loli reminded that draw by taking place on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on another time. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye, Josiah. Bye, Morris.